Hey, what's up guys, TechnoTube here, and I'm back with an insane video. I would like to show you how to easily jailbreak iOS 12.4.6, 12.4.7, 12.4.8, no PC, no revokes. iOS 12.4.5 is not supported as it was unsigned by Apple, but iOS 12 up to iOS 12.4.8 is supported. So I just wanted to say don't skip any part of the video because I've explained what to do to never get revoked. Cydia would not be installed on this device. We need to install another app that is used to install tweaks on your device. So I would recommend don't skip any part of the video. So let's get started. First of all, open up settings and go to Wi-Fi. Tap on your Wi-Fi, scroll down till you see configure proxy. Now you need to set it to automatic. Then you would have to enter a URL, http ffapple.com. I'll link it down in the description and the comment section below. So if this URL does not work, try removing one slash, it would work for you. Now here's the thing. If you're connected to a different Wi-Fi or you're on your cellular data and you're in a non-jailbroken state, your app would get revoked. The reason is that you would be disconnected to the Wi-Fi. So what's the fix? If you're in a different Wi-Fi, enter this URL again. Don't forget to tap and save. Don't forget to tap and save when you enter the URL. Turn on the airplane mode. Go to settings, Safari, clear history and website data, and then you will be good to go. If you're on your cellular data, then it would not always work. It is just a fix for the timing. Turn on our airplane mode, go to settings, Safari, clear history and website data, and you will be good to go. Now to install Rootless JB onto your device, go to Safari. Now you need to go to this website. I'll link it down in the description and the comment section below. Scroll down till you see Rootless Jailbreak. There we go. Tap on this. Now tap on install. Get an install pop-up. Tap on install. Go back to the home screen. You should see it would start to install on your device. I'm sorry my home button isn't working because this device has fell a lot of times. There we go. It is installing on my device. Might take some time, so sit back and relax. I'll see you after it has downloaded. Installing right there. Let's wait for that. There we go. We've installed Rootless Jailbreak 4 onto our device. Now let me tell you one thing. If this does not work, install it from rc.2.0. Now when I try to open it up, I'll see an unable to verify pop-up, or no. Yeah, there we go. Untrusted enterprise developer. For this, you need to go to settings, go to general, scroll down till you see profile and device management. It takes time to load up, but if it does not load up, scroll up to the top, go back, it would load up. Now under the enterprise app, you'll see one name. As you can see, it is already verified. You need to tap on trust. If it does not verify, then repeat the same steps. Make sure that URL is there, tap on save. Turn on your airplane mode, go to settings, Safari, clear history and website data, and you will be good to go. Now if I go back and I open up this, I have the option to jailbreak. I'm going to tap on jailbreak. And as you can see, my iPhone has restarted. That means the jailbreak was failed. The jailbreak can fail, so it can take multiple attempts. You would need some time for that. You have to spare some time. So I'll try and do that, and let's see if I can get it into a jailbroken state today itself, because I don't really know. Let's see. Phone restarted, but I'm not in a jailbroken state. I need to re-jailbreak my device. I want to tap on jailbreak. There we go. This can take like 30 to 40 minutes, more than like 20 20, 30, 40 attempts. Like, it can take a lot of time, guys. So I'm gonna skip this part till I'm jailbroken, so I'll see you after that. Okay guys, I'm successfully in a jailbroken state now. Finally, after multiple attempts, I was able to jailbreak my device. So let me tell you, while you're jailbreaking, when the jailbreaking process is completed, your iPhone would restart and you would get that loading symbol, and then you would be good to go. Now as you can see, there's no Cydia right here. So what can we do? We have to install another app that is like Cydia to install tweaks on your device. That app is called Sally. I'll link the website down in the description and the comment section below. So you'll get an iTunes pop-up. You need to tap on OK. Now you get an install pop-up. Tap on install. Go back to the home screen. You should see it would start to install on your device. Might take some time. There we go. It's installing. Now we have installed Sally on our device. When I try to open it up, we get an untrusted enterprise developer pop-up. For this, you need to go to settings, general, profile and device management. Just a second. It's taking a lot of time to load up. There we go. I need to trust it up. Now you can open up Sally and install tweaks on your device. Simple. If you go to manage, you can add your tweaks from here. Package sources, tap on add, enter your URL, tap on confirm, and you will be good to go. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel with the post notifications on, and let's complete 100 subscribers by the end of this month. I'm really looking forward for that. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.